What is Form 706 NA? Have you ever wondered how estate taxes work for non-resident aliens in the United States? If so, you might be curious about Form 706 NA. This is a tax form used by the Internal Revenue Service to calculate estate and generation-skipping transfer tax liabilities for non-resident alien decedents. A non-resident alien is someone who is not a United States citizen and is not considered domiciled in the United States at the time of their death. Form 706 NA is specifically designed for individuals who own U.S.-based assets. These assets can include real estate, physical personal property, or securities related to U.S. companies. The primary purpose of this form is to ensure compliance with U.S. estate tax laws for non-resident aliens. Now, when should you file Form 706 NA? It must be filed if the fair market value of the U.S.-based assets exceeds $60,000. The executor of the estate typically files this form within 9 months of the decedent's death. One of the key components of Form 706 NA is the estate tax calculation. Unlike U.S. citizens, non-resident aliens are taxed only on assets located within the United States. This means that if a non-resident alien has U.S. assets, they need to be aware of how these taxes will affect their estate. Another important aspect is the generation-skipping transfer tax. This tax applies when assets are transferred to beneficiaries who are more than one generation younger than the decedent, such as grandchildren. The generation-skipping transfer tax is calculated as part of the estate tax process. If the decedent was a resident of a country that has an estate tax treaty with the United States, there are special considerations. The estate must attach a statement to Form 706 NA indicating that the return was prepared based on the treaty. In the context of elder law and estate planning for non-citizens, Form 706 NA is essential. It helps ensure that estates comply with U.S. tax laws. This is particularly important for non-resident aliens who own U.S. real estate or other U.S.-based assets. Proper planning can help minimize tax liabilities and ensure a smooth transfer of assets to beneficiaries. It is advisable for non-resident aliens to consult with an estate planning attorney who is familiar with U.S. tax laws. This can help navigate the complexities of estate planning and ensure everything is handled correctly. Understanding Form 706 NA is a key part of that process.